I am Ketan Jain. I am here to teach you the basic parts of the mathematics and all that thing. So let's start with the very few topic which I am here to teach you. That is profit and loss, time and work, and the percentage part. So first of all, we are starting with the topic profit and loss. We all know that profit is a thing that is we call as labh. That is the thing. Suppose we move to a shop and we go and buy a trouser there, a shirt there. We say, sir, हमें ये shirt देना, और we can say कि इस shirt की price कितनी है. So suppose there is a price which is listed on it, or we can say that is the price is mark price. So the cost price of the shirt is 1,000 rupees. Suppose the mark price, that is the listed price. We always say that it is the listed price, that is MRP. Now suppose that there is a we go to the shopkeeper and say, sir, we are paying rupees 800 for it. So what we get is 200 rupees discount. So this is the discount part, 200 rupees. So we always calculate discount on the MRP part. That is the thing I am going to say here. So like suppose like here these are the things which are used, and the selling price is, this is the cost price for the customer and selling price for the shopkeeper. Now let's start with very basic formulas for it. That is profit. We all know that we calculate the profit on the cost price. So profit comes when the sale